Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. Today we'll be discussing an important document released by the Telangana government, that is Telangana State at a Glance. Released in the year 2024 only, it is nothing but a very latest document with regard to Telangana socio-economic profile, you can say. By learning this document, you can easily get lot of insights with regard to economy. Obviously, the majority of the document is related to economy, but it also have the aspect of governance. Along with that, you will have some geography related areas like urbanization. You will also have GHMC governance, and you also have little bit of governance chapter also, that is with regard to welfare schemes, right? So basically one economic survey does not usually have only economic aspect. It covers geography little bit of, it covers governance a little bit of, it covers society, I think for social welfare, SC, ST, etc. Okay, it covers social issues like education, health. Okay, all these aspects are covered anyhow. That's why it is very important document. The videos will be very short, but we are going to complete it very soon. The handwritten notes of this particular lecture, whatever we are discussing, I will be making in 3-4 days and will be giving you the link from where you can buy. Okay, so whatever we are learning here, I will tell you what to omit, what not to omit. Accordingly, you can prepare your notes. But this is a very, very essential document with regard to any of the examination that you are going to attempt in the next few months. Not only that, next year also, till new economic survey may release in September. So before September, whatever the examinations are conducted under the sky of TSPSC or DSC or TET, this is the ultimate document you can refer to, right? Now first of all, let us understand. Okay, there are almost around 24 chapters are given here. Public finance is there, irrigation, forest, you can see. Okay, mining. So all the basically the important areas of our examinations are covered here. Almost around we are going to discuss 24 chapters are there. Okay, so every chapter we are going to cover one by one. The PPT PDF or Word document PDF and the handwritten notes of this will be available at a minimum price after 3-4 days. Now let us accustom with what we are actually learning. Once you get the used to feeling with regard to what we are doing, then you can have a clarity when you buy the document also. Let us start our lecture with the first chapter here, that is statistic, nothing but socio-economic profile of our Telangana in comparison with India. This is important. I really liked it because not only Telangana related things that they have covered, but they have also compared it with India. You can see here very clearly the geographical area of Telangana is how much? 1,12,000 square kilometer, whereas of India is how much? 32,87,000 kilometers. So I am not taking the units and tens decimals, so I will be doing the round off. You can directly see on the screen. So the area of Telangana is 1,12,000 square kilometer, whereas of India is 32,87,000 kilometer. Okay, nothing but 3.4% of India's area is occupied by Telangana. So very beautiful. Okay, you got a GK here, right? So now number of districts in Telangana are 33, whereas on India 785 districts are there. Percentages are not important. What I am telling, that only you have to remember for the examination point of view. Okay, and whatever the notes that will be sold on the particular website, the link I will give you in some days. Okay, if you buy it, you will get the crisp and concise, okay, data. It will not be like this we have to read or that we have to read. You will get what you have to read only. Okay, right. So geographical area, we have completed. Number of districts, we know that is 33, whereas in India it is 785. Revenue divisions in Telangana 76, mandals 620, revenue villages are 10,909, revenue villages according to census 2011 10,434. Okay, this is not important. Inhabited villages, this is all not important. Census town according to the census 2011 116. Rural local bodies are 13,341, as rural local bodies are into 3 layers of, okay, Panchayat Raj institutions are there. So Gram Panchayats are around 12,769. Mandal Praja Parishads are 540. Zilla Parishads are 32. We have 33 districts. Hyderabad is having GHMC, so Hyderabad does not come into Zilla Parishad. That is the reason we are having what? 32 districts here. Okay, 32 Zilla Parishads. Now urban local bodies totally we have 42, whereas corporations, the bigger municipalities are called as corporations, which are 13 in number, whereas in municipalities we have 129. Cantonment army areas are there. In near my area also in Tolichoki, Mehdipatnam, we have the army area. So for to govern the all army areas of the Hyderabad city, we are having one cantonment board. I remember this point. Now let us see the demographic characteristic of Telangana in India comparatively. The total population of Telangana is 3 crore 50 lakhs, whereas of India is 121 crores. It means 2.8% of India's population is coming from Telangana. Okay. Now number of males in Telangana 1 crore 76 lakhs, whereas the number of females are 1 crore 73 lakhs. Okay, remember this point. They have given in lakhs. I am talking in what? Crores, but both are same. Or you can say that 176 lakhs, 173 lakhs. Okay, here also you can see male are more than female. This is the common understanding you have to have. Whereas in India also 6 lakhs, almost like 62 crores are males, 58 crores are what? Female. So here also male are more than female, even in India, even in Telangana. Okay, decadal growth is very important point for the examination. Decadal growth rate of Telangana is 13.58%, whereas of India is 17.70 from 2001 to 2011. Okay, what is the growth rate in the population happened in Telangana means 13.58, whereas for India it is 17.70. When we see the density of population per square kilometer, 1 kilometer here, 1 kilometer here, 1 kilometer here, 1 kilometer here, this is called as 1 square kilometer. How many population, how many individuals are living? So the density of population is 312 for Telangana, whereas for India 382. Now let us see the sex ratio. Very important again. Sex ratio of Telangana is 988, whereas of India is 943. Rural population, okay. Population is like you can see here. Rural population is 213 lakhs, whereas urban population is 136 lakhs. So rural population is more in Telangana, okay, than urban areas. So this is a common understanding. Now we will not see this part because this is not important. We will see the rural sex ratio is 999 in Telangana, whereas in India is 949. So whatever I am omitting, you have to also omit. In the same way, you have to take the notes of it. Urban sex ratio is 970, whereas of India is 929. Here one analysis we can do. The rural sex ratio is 999 in Telangana, whereas urban sex ratio is 970. It means what? Rural sex ratio is more than urban sex ratio in Telangana. Very, very, very important analysis here. The same thing goes with India also. India's rural sex ratio is more than India's urban sex ratio. Basically here one important point in our country, when with regard to work, with regard to employment, with regard to education, men mobility is more. Men mobility is more. Okay, geographically. Women hardly move from one state to another state. So that's why in the urban areas, most of the men migration will be there. That is the reason urban areas have lesser sex ratio when compared to what? Rural sex ratio. With India also the same thing. With Telangana also the same thing. I guess this is all clear to you. Now child population in lakhs, if you see 38 lakhs are there. Okay, and child sex ratio is 932, whereas India's child sex ratio is 918. So Telangana's child sex ratio is better than India's child sex ratio. This is the good point. Okay, number of households are not important, but for a understanding 83.04 lakhs households are there into 5 if you do, because one household is minimum 5 members. So but on an average, Telangana is having average household size is 4, whereas of India is 5. Okay. So right, so we'll complete the literacy first. This is territorial aspects we have covered. Along with that, we have covered the demography of the population. We will talk about literacy, other aspects in the second video. I hope this is all clear to you. Take care and do enjoy the videos and share all to all of your friends. Do see in the description what I am writing, so that it will help you out to avail courses and empower us. Thank you.